Welcome back. Now let's get our project folder. So if you have your project in SDDoc, first go to Jam, go to SDDoc and get your project. So here is my project. So you can just get here, and once it's here you can see everything here. You can now, so now you are in my job, which is your project. Now you can just type this command, which is the PHP artisan serve. So it will start your development server and your project should be available in this URL. Okay, so localhost colon 8000, or you can also type 127.0.0.1 colon 8000 and you'll see your Laravel project working, running there. So in my case, I'm going to use the SQLAC database, which is available for Mac. So instead of using PSP MyAdmin, so I'll be using this, and instead of Gem, I'll be using the Valley because I have already set up Valley. But you can use any software like Valley, Docker, or Gem, whatever. Okay, just make sure your Laravel application is running. So in Gem, you can just write PHP artisan serve and it will just start your project here. So once that's done, so the next step is to connect to the database. So we'll be using the MySQL database, and here you can see we have a database connection. So here you have to give the name of database. So I want to give Lara job, or any my job, or you can give any name to your database. If you have a username, in my case I have a username as root, so it's root, and I have a password. In most of the case you may not have password, so just give your database name as well. Okay, so it's in my case it's the root, so root, and root is my password. And you have to go to your PHP MyAdmin if you are using PHP MyAdmin, or if you're using SQL or any database, just you go there and you have to make your database. So click add database, and here you can create a database. So you can create any name: Lara job, my job, job app, anything. So this much for this video, guys, and in the next video we'll go through the folder structure of Laravel application.